What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome to 2020. Happy New Year. I cannot wait to see what 2020 brings. Before we dive into this video, I just want to make a few announcements. There is an online store that is currently live right now for New Dimension Motorsports. I'll put the link in the description below. If you guys could check it out, that would be awesome. And to kick things off, there will be a 20% off discount for the entire store for the first 72 hours as long as you guys use code NDM2020. Again, NDM2020 at checkout will get you 20% off your entire order. I do want to say though that any profits that I do make from this online store is going to be going right back into the channel. I figured it would be a good way to hopefully bring bigger projects, more frequent content for you guys. So again, any support that you could provide would be absolutely amazing. Alright, without further ado, no more talking, let's dive right into the video. On July 5th, 2016, my 280Z arrived and I got to see it for the first time. Buying a car sight unseen is tough and can sometimes be a huge risk, but I had 100% confidence that no matter what happened, it would work out in the end. The car wasn't perfect. After spending around 2 years of getting the car in a condition where I can enjoy it, we put a new engine in it, we refreshed the interior, eliminating as much rust as possible, replaced pretty much every bushing on the car, and did a complete once-over to ensure we had a reliable platform. It was now time to move on to the next stage of the build. It was time to move away from stock and become comfortable with modification. In the spring of 2017, a package arrived that set this all into motion. After countless of hours of research and planning, I purchased a front and rear subframe from a Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. Now obviously, these parts are not meant for the Datsun, meaning there would be a big project ahead of us. Over the next year of accumulating parts, spending all my hard-earned money, it was time for the makeover Nora deserved. Oops, hold on, let's back up a minute. That car right there? Yeah, I named her Nora. Now let's get to the parts you've all been waiting for.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today